Along with using local user accounts, a Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6 system also provides a secure means of connecting to an LDAP server. LDAP, an acronym for Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, is a system designed for centralized resource management and authentication. This is one of those instances where using the graphical tool is much easier than setting something up via the command line. To set up LDAP authentication for users on a Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6 system, go to System, Administration, and Authentication. Under User Account Configuration, change the drop-down menu to LDAP. In the LDAP search base DN, you will enter something like this. In the LDAP server text box, enter in the hostname or IP of your LDAP server. All of this information is something that would be provided to you should you need to configure a server to authenticate against LDAP. Under Authentication Configuration, you will need to know if you are authenticating with a Kerberos server or an LDAP server. For Kerberos, just enter in the information that is given to you, such as your realm, KDCs, and the admin servers. If you need to authenticate to an LDAP server, click on the drop-down and choose LDAP. Notice by default that you have to use either LDAP-S for part of your LDAP server address or check the box for Use TLS to encrypt connections. If you check this box, you will need to click on the button for Download CA certificates. Then enter in the server address that has a certificate file in the PEM format. And once you do that, click the OK button. We're just going to use LDAP-S for our example. Once you have all of your pertinent information entered, just press the Apply button. Users that you have configured in LDAP can now authenticate on this system. To undo any of these modifications, just go back to System, Administration, Authentication, and click on the Revert button. You will get a warning stating that you will lose your configuration changes, which is fine since that is what we want to do. Click the Revert button, click the Apply button, and your system reverts back to only authenticating local accounts.